Fuel is an essential commodity that powers various modes of transportation, ranging from cars, buses, and trucks to airplanes and ships. Gasoline and diesel fuel are two of the most widely used types of fuel, and they are each designed to power specific types of engines. However, there may be situations where one may need to use gasoline in a diesel engine or diesel fuel in a gasoline engine, or even mix them in equal parts. In this video, we will explore the effects of changing gasoline and diesel fuel, as well as mixing them in equal parts. Gasoline and diesel fuel, overview. Gasoline and diesel fuel are both refined from crude oil, but they have different chemical compositions and properties that make them suitable for different types of engines. Gasoline is a highly flammable liquid that is designed to be used in spark ignition engines, which are commonly found in cars and light-duty trucks. Gasoline is composed primarily of hydrocarbons, which are molecules made up of hydrogen and carbon atoms. The exact composition of gasoline varies depending on the crude oil source and the refining process used, but it typically contains between 8 and 12 carbon atoms per molecule. Diesel fuel, on the other hand, is a heavier and less volatile fuel that is designed to be used in compression ignition engines, which are commonly found in heavy-duty trucks, buses, and some cars. Diesel fuel is also composed primarily of hydrocarbons, but it typically contains longer chains of carbon atoms than gasoline, with between 12 and 16 carbon atoms per molecule. This longer chain of carbon atoms gives diesel fuel a higher energy density than gasoline, meaning that it can provide more power per unit of volume. Changing gasoline and diesel fuel. One of the most important factors to consider when using gasoline and diesel fuel is their combustion properties. Gasoline and diesel fuel burn differently, and each is designed to work optimally with a specific type of engine. Gasoline is designed to burn quickly and cleanly in a spark ignition engine, which uses a spark plug to ignite the fuel-air mixture in the cylinder. Diesel fuel, on the other hand, is designed to burn slowly and efficiently in a compression ignition engine, which compresses the fuel-air mixture in the cylinder until it reaches a high enough temperature to ignite spontaneously. If gasoline is used in a diesel engine, several problems can occur. First, gasoline is more volatile than diesel fuel, meaning that it evaporates more easily. This can lead to incomplete combustion, as the fuel may not vaporize and mix with air properly. Second, gasoline has a lower cetane number than diesel fuel, which is a measure of its ability to ignite under pressure. This can result in poor engine performance and increased emissions. Finally, gasoline can cause damage to the engine's fuel system, as it can dissolve and remove lubricants and other protective coatings. Similarly, if diesel fuel is used in a gasoline engine, several problems can occur. First, diesel fuel is less volatile than gasoline, meaning that it may not vaporize properly and may not mix with air properly. This can lead to incomplete combustion, which can cause poor engine performance, increased emissions, and the buildup of harmful deposits in the engine. Second, diesel fuel has a higher cetane number than gasoline, meaning that it may ignite too quickly in a spark ignition engine. This can cause knocking and other types of engine damage. Finally, diesel fuel can cause damage to the engine's fuel system, as it can clog filters and injectors. Mixing gasoline and diesel fuel. Mixing gasoline and diesel fuel is not recommended, as it can lead to a number of problems. First, as mentioned earlier, gasoline and diesel fuel have different combustion properties, and mixing them can result in incomplete combustion, which can lead to poor engine performance and increased emissions. Second, mixing gasoline and diesel fuel can cause damage to the engine's fuel system, as the different chemicals in the two fuels can react with each other and cause clogs, deposits, and other problems. Third, mixing gasoline and diesel fuel can cause safety issues, as the resulting mixture may be more volatile than either fuel alone and may pose a fire hazard. If a small amount of gasoline is accidentally added to diesel fuel or vice versa, the effects may not be immediately noticeable. However, over time, the mixture can cause damage to the engine and fuel system, leading to costly repairs and decreased engine performance. If you accidentally mix gasoline and diesel fuel, it is recommended that you drain the tank and refill it with the correct type of fuel. Subscribing and liking the video are a great help. Thanks for watching.